Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the KitKat Honeycomb. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So this is a 9-bar pack of 2-finger KitKat Honeycombs. And just taking a look around the outside of the product packaging. And at the nutritional information. And taking a look around the back of the packet. There is some nutrition data, as well as ingredients list for this 9-bar pack of KitKat Honeycomb. And this packet has a total weight of 186.3 grams, so 20.7 grams per 2-finger pack. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Well, of course, tearing apart the packet, so just managing to tear a small part out the corner and giving you a look at one of these bars. So this is a 2-finger bar of KitKat Honeycomb. Just giving you a look at the details of its packaging. And this 2-finger bar has a 105 calorie count. And just to give you some idea of the size of this 2-finger bar or packet, resting it in my palm right there. And also I can smell that sweetness of that honeycomb emanating through the packaging. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Of course, tearing apart the paper wrapper. So I'm just going to set it to the side. And of course, peeling open the metal foil and giving you a look directly at the KitKat Honeycomb. And let's turn it over, and you can see that it has broken apart already into 2 separate fingers, so just giving you that close-up look nonetheless. And picking them up and resting it in my hand to give you a closer up look with the foil wrapper out of the way. So as you can see, it does have a darkish milk chocolate covering the crispy wafer on the inside. So giving you a look at the back and the front of these 2 separate fingers that have been broken apart. Okay, now let's go ahead and break this apart. Right here, let's get the camcorder to focus back on. And snapping this KitKat Honeycomb right there and giving you a look at the cross section of this single crispy wafer finger. So you can see the milk chocolate covering as well as the crispy wafer center of this chocolate bar or chocolate finger. Now let's go ahead and taste it. So I'm going to put the bigger side in my mouth. So the chocolate is nice and buttery, and the sweetness is rather mild. The scent or smell of that honeycomb is rather strong and overpowering, but in a pleasant way. So it's quite obvious and distinct. Now let's pop in this other remaining half. And you can see that the chocolate finger has somewhat melted just by handling it, so that butteriness of the chocolate does show with that melted parts on my finger. And I'm going to set this down and break out another 2-finger bar so that you have a full look. At a complete bar that's not broken. So let's open up this packet or bar, and this time round this is an unbroken 2-finger bar, and giving you that look once again, but this time round of course having an unbroken one. So this is the KitKat Honeycomb once again, but this time round, as you can see, unseparated in its 2-finger shape. And this time around, get the chance to snap this 2-finger bar in half. So here we go. It's right there, giving you a look at the 2 fingers, and I'm just going to break both of them in half, and giving you once again, this time round, 2 fingers broken into 2 halves. And I'm going to put the one on the right in my mouth, so lovely, smooth and creamy, buttery milk chocolate, as you can see, melting away in my hands with that strong scent of honey, but with a subtle sweet taste. So right there is the close-up of the different aspects of the KitKat Honeycomb crispy wafer finger chocolates. So that's the KitKat Honeycomb. Thanks for watching and happy eating.